So we come to the features one by one, the basic features of primary sector. Number one, it includes land-based or primary resource-based activities. Most of the primary sector activities which are involved or which are included within the primary sector, they are land-based activities. If they are not land-based, they are some way or the other natural resource-based activities, maybe mining, maybe your use of land, okay, maybe cutting of rocks. So they include directly either land-based activities, cultivation of crops and all, or primary resource-based. Primary resource-based means natural resources, maybe forestry, maybe mineral resources, maybe iron, maybe ores and all, maybe forest, your this oil and natural resources, whatever you have, water resources and all. So these primary land-based activities or the primary resources, they are all included in the primary sector. Quantitative changes in commodities. Now, whenever we are talking about these land-based activities and they are being unearthed, they are being broken into pieces, they are being, the raw materials are being used from the land, so the quantities change from maybe bigger amount, maybe abundant amount to small finite units and all. So we say that primary sector there is a quantitative change in commodities, quantitative by numbers. Examples: fishery, agriculture, fisheries, mining, quarrying, dairy farming, as we talked about, all the land-based activities, okay. And these primary activities mainly involve extraction and collection of raw materials from earth. As we mentioned, whatever land, whenever it is either land-based activities or resource-based activities, definitely it has to be like either we are extracting something from the earth or we are collecting some raw materials from the earth. So these are specifically included, or the primary sector involves extraction and collection of raw materials from earth. And finally, the primary sector all contributes largely to the national output and to the employment sector. If you consider the total output of the economy, if you consider the total employment of the economy, you will find that the primary sector contributes a huge amount from the statistical data that you can reveal or you can get the information. So this primary sector contributes largely to national output or to the employment sector. So these are the basic features of the primary sector. Read the text thoroughly and listen to the explanations. If you have any doubts, you can definitely ask me.